The following video describes how to run our ZetiExcite Fluorogenic Tg2 Assay Kit FO14 for the specific and sensitive determination of tissue transglutaminase activity. The assay is suitable for determining Tg2 concentrations of 1.25 to 10 nanomolar. The assay is intended for research purposes, drug discovery programs, and quality assurance. The ZetiExcite Fluorogenic Tg2 Assay Kit is delivered at ambient temperature and must be stored refrigerated. The assay kit can be used in fluorescence spectrophotometers with microplates, as well as in fluorescence spectrophotometers with cuvettes. In this video, you will observe the use of a microplate device. Select a microplate that is suitable for fluorescence-based assays and exhibits little or no autofluorescence in the emission range of the reagent you wish to use. Black plates are typically recommended. Additionally, suitable reaction tubes, pipettes, and a timer are required. Add 18 milliliters of deionized water per vial of the buffer reagent and mix carefully. The substrate reagent is a ready-to-use dimethyl sulfoxide solution. Add 20 microliters of substrate reagent to 18 milliliters of the prepared buffer reagent and mix. This mixture is now referred to as reagent mixture, which should be consumed within 2 hours. Keep it at ambient temperature and protected from light until use. 1 vial of reagent mixture is sufficient for 65 microtiter plate wells. Next, add 18 milliliters of deionized water per vial of the dilution buffer and mix carefully. The dilution buffer is consumed within 1 day or stored frozen at -20 degrees Celsius for up to 4 weeks. Use the dilution buffer for diluting your Tg2 sample to a concentration of 7.8 to 0.05 micrograms per milliliter directly before use. The Tg2 sample should not be vortexed. We recommend setting the fluorescence spectrophotometers to 37 degrees Celsius because this is the optimal working temperature for Tg2. The instrument is set to an excitation wavelength of 330 nanometers and emission wavelength of 418 nanometers. The reaction is monitored for 30 minutes. Now the ZetiExcite Fluorogenic Tg2 Assay Kit is ready to use. Preload the wells with 30 microliters of your sample. Use the dilution buffer instead of the sample to generate a blank. The sample should be measured in duplicate or triplicate. Initiate the reaction by adding 270 microliters of pre-warmed reagent mixture to the sample and mix thoroughly by pipetting up and down. Start the kinetic measurement 3 minutes after starting the reaction. The increase in fluorescence is proportional to the tissue transglutaminase activity. The correlating Tg2 amount in the sample can be calculated with a reference curve. for example, using the TG2 reference product T022. The enzyme activity can be calculated in enzyme units using Zadira product A168 ABZ peptide calibrator. Thank you for watching this video. Visit the product page on our website for further information. In case of inquiries, please contact us.